In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a podcast using AI in n8n. Let's dive right in and get started with this fascinating process. First, open up your browser and head over to the n8n website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the login option. I assume most of you are already logged in, but if you aren't, go ahead and do that first. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the n8n homepage. Next, look for the Create Workflow button. It's usually prominently displayed, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Clicking on it will start a new workflow for you, which is vital for setting up our podcast automation. After doing that, take a glance over at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see an option called Templates. Go ahead and click on that. Templates are super helpful, as they give us pre-built setups that we can use as a starting point for our projects. In the search bar, type in podcast and hit enter. This will bring up a list of templates related to podcasting. Now the key here is to choose the template that best fits your needs. Look through the options and click on the one that seems like a perfect match for the project you're envisioning. Once you've made your choice, you'll see a Use for Free button. You guessed it. Click on that. This will bring the selected template into your n8n workspace so that you can start working with it. The next step involves importing this template into your cloud workspace. Again, there's an easily visible button for this purpose, simply labeled Import Template to Cloud Workspace. Click on it. Now here's where things get a bit more interactive. You'll need to set up the necessary software for automation. Don't worry if this sounds intimidating. The platform provides guidance along the way. Trust the process, follow the on-screen instructions, and configure your software setup as required. Once you've successfully completed your setup and checked all the configurations, you should be good to go. That's it! Congratulations! You've just created a podcast using AI in n8n. With these steps, you've automated the podcasting process. Keep in mind that automating processes like podcast creation not only saves you time but also provides a seamless workflow experience. This is just one example of the myriad possibilities n8n and AI offer for content creation. So, go ahead, explore more, and let automation be your creative partner. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Happy podcasting!